Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to be showing you a 10 minutes minimalist makeup tutorial for beginners. This kind of makeup can be used for parties, conferences, office meetings, hanging out with friends, and what have you. This tutorial is going to be a full face makeup tutorial using some simple brands found here in Nigeria. Guys, let's go right into it. I'm going to be using the YC sunscreen SPF 90. Start by prepping your skin with moisturizer and primer. I'd already done that before this procedure. Choose a sunscreen that does not leave white marks on your face. The moisturizer you intend to use, you can use your normal body moisturizer if that's what works for you, right? Just make sure there is no marks in order to help protect your skin against acne and the likes of them, right? Now I'm making sure it all sinks into my skin. Now I'm going to be showing you my mirror in which I will be using for this process. Next is my foundation. I'm using the ZKL foundation. It's a US product. Now I'm going to use just a little quantity of it. Please, the secret is in how much you blend it in. This is a beauty brush. I'm going to damp this in water and then I'll just use it to touch the the foundation rather, and then I rub it all over. Make sure the foundation is not too much on your face. Just put it on the important areas: the face, the jaw, the underjaw, the forehead, your cheek, and damp it around. The secret is in blending it in properly. Just make sure it blends. You don't need much, you just need it to blend. That's the most important thing. Every part of your face, because this is a full face makeup. Use your powder. I'm using the classic powder. And now a beauty brush. Here I'm using it to make sure it sinks in, like every part of it. Make sure your powder is not too much in this process, right? Dust off anything that will make it cake, because when your powder is too much or your foundation is too much, it's going to cake in the end, right? You don't want that kind of result. Look at the blend it's giving me. Next here I'm using the concealer. And with this concealer, use a concealer that matches your natural skin tone. Put it on your under eye. In this case, I'm concentrating on my under eye because that is the effect I need it to give. I need my eye area to be popping. I need that contour effect. I'm blending it in at this point. Make sure that it is properly blended, even into your corner eyes. Blend around your nose area as well, because you know where your face highlights, right? Next is the face definer. This face definer comprises of 3 different definers. Now we are going to be using our highlighter. The highlighter will help to highlight your under eye to make it pop. The idea is to have the poppy effect around your under eye, around your eye basically, right? So I'm going to make that blend in as well. Make sure it's not too much, but make sure it's enough for it to pop out that under eye, for your face to be properly defined. Use your brush around your nose as well. Those places that you know needs to be highlighted. You are the one that can see your face, so you know where you want those bone structures to pop out, like you want it to lighten up. Now I'm doing my underjaw with the same highlighter because I need that to pop out as well. And same goes for my forehead, because the forehead has to pop out. Guys, you know that already. A baby girl needs to shine. Now you mark your face for your contour, right? Especially for those who do not have cheekbone. This is the contour time. Yeah, that's the one I'm going to be using. The bronzer next. Now you're going to use your bronzer not just on your contour side, you're also going to use it around a side of your forehead, right? Around your forehead. Those places you want the dark shade to be. Draw 3 on your face, from your forehead to your contour and then to your jaw, and you get that point. Next, I'm using the highlighter on my eye just to highlight it. I like doing this because it helps the eye to pop. My tutor taught me this though, so let me not say I like doing this. It helps the eye to pop out. That's why I'm using the highlighter here. You guys are going to see the effects. You guys can see it's not too loud. I feel that I needed more, so I had to add more. Next is our eyeliner, because I'm going to be doing my eyebrows next. Now when you're doing your eyebrows, please try to make it as natural as possible. Start from under the eyebrows, then just pick the end part of the eyebrows and you have something natural. I'm using the contour again to line under the eyebrows, right? In order to make it pop, in order to define it. Just use little, it shouldn't be too much. Some people use their hands, it's possible, but I don't want it to smear, so I had to use the brush. I wish this mirror could just, or my camera could just do this justice. You know, I didn't have someone to film me, and I'm not a makeup tutorial person, so I'm just learning this. This is my first time of making up myself in this manner, so you guys just forgive the fact that I cannot film it properly. You guys are going to see the amazing results it came out with. Very natural, very simple, nothing loud. I liked it this way. I didn't want it to look like I'm too made up. Now I'm using my eyeliner. I like using black simple eyeliner. Guys, all this was achieved in 10 minutes. Now I'm defining my nose. For those who have very pointed nose, you will not need to do much. But for people like us whose nose is in between, we have to do a little more. Your lip area has to be defined. That's why you saw me doing that. Now I'm lining my lip as well. The lipstick I used in this video is not my lipstick. I just found the lipstick and I picked it up because it's been long I used lipstick, right? So I had to go with this, right? Please use a lipstick that matches your skin tone. It's always more beautiful, or something that fits anyways. Achieve this in 10 minutes, guys. If I can do this, you can do this as well. Lastly, I'm going to be using my setting spray to finish up this work. This is the LA setting spray. It's very affordable. Guys, look at my result. This is makeup tutorial for beginners, a quick, simple and very fast one.